Hello everyone, welcome back again. I hope you all have gone through that introduction video, animated introduction video of the chapter division, right? So now let us start solving self-practice 5a. But before starting the self-practice, a few things are there, alright? Few things are there which I have to tell that from question number 1 of self-practice 5a, we are going to solve only few questions. Those are, you will take in your book, alright? Number A, B, D, E, G, L. Take it properly, okay? A, B, D, E, G, L. So I'm writing here part A, part B. This is from number 1 only, okay? We have not moved on to number B, so don't worry about number B. A, B, D, G, E, A, B. Okay, mistake was there. E, G, whatever, G, E. So now then L. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 altogether 6 sums from question number 1. The remaining will be this will be our, I will be solving as a classwork, and the remaining one, okay, the remaining one, whatever will be left out, will be your assignment, you can say, or you can do that one practice also. Okay, you can practice that in your home. All right, so from question number 2 you will do this sum. We will be doing number A and B in this video. All right, divide and check the answer. You will divide number A and B. Okay, if there is any other thing left out, you can keep that as a practice. Similarly, number 3 also, number 3 A and B from self practice 5b. Today we will solve self practice 5b also. All right, number A and B we are going to solve from self practice 5b. all right, so student, let us start our self practice 5a from question number 1, A. all right, so student, till now you people are very much familiar with the division, right? So let me give one example. Okay, with that we will proceed to question number A, part A. All right, so if you are dividing 4 divided by 2, this is the sign used for the division. All right, so what we are going to write, this will be called your divisor, this will be called dividend. Okay, so now whenever you are dividing, it is called 2 2s are 4, right? 2 2s are 4. So this is your question, and the remainder is 0 here. So the formula, the method will be dividend to whom you are dividing. In this example, 4 is your dividend. This is just an example, no need to do, just listen the concept. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor with whom you are dividing. This is 2, divisor 2 here, right? Into question, what is the, how many times you are dividing with that of divisor. Here it is 2 plus remainder. What is the remainder here? What is left out? 0, no? So in this case it is 0. In some other case you may find more than 0, 1, 2, 19 may be there. So the case may be varied depending on the divisor and the dividend. So what is dividend here? 4. What is divisor here? 2. What is the question here? 2. And what is the remainder? 0. So when you multiply 2 2s are 4. You got 4. 4 plus 0 is 4, no? So in this way you can verify your division also. Okay, so let us solve question number A, 365 divided by 3. So when you divide this, so bigger number will be inside because this is called dividend. Okay, if suppose 3 was there and 365 was there, this 3 would be divisor and dividend, and 365 would be divisor. Similarly here 365 is first, then your 3, right? So we will be writing 3 outside and 365 inside. If suppose the opposite was the case, then 365 would be out and 3 would be inside. That is also possible. You may not get those type of sum, but in your higher class you are going to get. Okay, so don't worry about that, you are going to learn that also. Okay, so first of all, let us solve with the first number, that is 3 1s are 3. If you can do it like this, if you know the multiplication of table, then it is directly you can do it. 3 12s are 36 is possible, but I have used 3 ones are 3, so it will be easy for many student who doesn't know the table of 3 2 elves are 36, right? So what is possible here? 3 to the 6 is possible, so you can write here, right? So now whatever is left out will be moved down. What is there? 5. So how many is 5? 3. How many is 5? 3 ones are 3 is only possible because 3 to the 6, which is bigger number. So 5 minus 3 is 2 here. So what are the question? Your question was, your actual question was what? Divide and find the question, no? And remainder. What is question? Question is 121. Your remainder is, you need to write this, okay? You may write Q or R also, no problem. What is the remainder? What remainder you got? 2. But in this case, what remainder you got? 0, no? So in this case you got 2. Alright, so let us proceed to question number B. 867 divided by 9. So when you divide this, 9 9s are 81, minus 6 minus 1 is 5. Now 8 minus 1 is, so many of the student does the subtraction from here. This is not exactly, okay? So you have understood in your introduction part, basically division is your subtraction, right? So 6 minus 1 is 5, so 7. So how many is 57? Is in your 9 table, does the 57 come? No, so you will write 9 6 are 54. The number should be lower than 57, yes, but should not be greater than 57. So 9 7 is 63, you cannot put, okay? So minus it 3. So 3 is not 3 cannot be divided by 9, so your remainder will be 3. So your Q will be 96 and your R will be 3. Alright, proceeding to the question number D, part D. As you know, we are not doing, C will be a home assignment. 841 divided by 21. So when you divide this 841 by 21, so you should first of all know what is the multiplication. What is the multiplication of 21? So let us have a look on the multiplication table first of 21. Alright, so here we have the multiplication 21 of 21, 21 into 1, 21 into 2, so 21 into 3. Your question was, so your question was to divide 841 by 21. So first of all you look this 84, okay, because this is double digit number. You cannot look single digit because 21 twos cannot be 8, no? So you have to look the double digit here, or if you want to divide directly, you can divide directly also if you know the multiplication table. So just see in which multiplication do you get 84, where you are getting 84. So in this when you multiply with 4, you will get 84, right? 21 4 is 84, right? So 1 is moving down, so we will put zeros, okay? So 1 is remainder, nothing else we can do. So your question is 40 and your remainder is 1. Alright, so when this is your number D, 841 divided by 21 is, in your question is 40 and remainder is 1. Alright, I hope you have understood this. Moving on to the next question, we have part E, 4425 divided by 5. So when you divide this, you will get 5 8 is 40, 4 will be down, so 2 will come down, so 4 is the remainder in this case, so 2 will come down, 5 8 is 40 again. Now 2 minus 0 is 2, this 5 will come down, what will be the remainder? 5 5 is 25, your remainder is 0. So your question is 8 and your remainder is 0, you can write, okay? So number E is also done. Now proceeding forward to the number G. So your question number G is 1925 divided by 5. So what is the number you can use to multiply this 19? Use double digit here. So 5 3s are 15, 9 minus 5 4, 5 8s is 40. Now 2, this 5 will come down here, 5 5s are 25. So your question is not question. Okay, your question is a different thing which you'd study in grammar, and this question is used for the division method. Okay, so your remainder is 0 here. Alright, so number G is also over. Now let us proceed to number L. So question is 19274 divided by 8. So you have to divide this with 8. So 19274. Alright, so 8 2s is 16. Yes. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. This 2 will come down. 8 4s is 32, right? So now you have to divide 7. The 7 will come down. So 8 cannot divide 7, so we will use 0 because still remainder is there. So as because this has just come down, we will put 0. This has come just down. If this was only the 1, then also we should have divided with 0. Just we did in 21 in number D, dividing 841 by 2. Alright, that we have to do. Okay. So now 7 minus 0 is 7. This 4 will come down. Now 8 9 is 72. Right. So when you divide this, you'll get 2. So nothing else. You cannot divide. So this is the only remainder, and nothing else can move down. So in such case, we will not divide with 0. Okay. So this is a remainder which is 2, and this is a question which is 2409. All right. You can write like this: 2409 R is equal to 2. This is the answer. Alright, so student, with this question, we are over with question number 1 also. Now we will directly move on to question number 2. So student, here we have the question number 2. The question is divide and check the division. So check the division means we are going to use the formula which I have given you, that is D, capital D is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right, so where is divisor? Inside the box. Outside the box is your divisor. Question should be here, and whatever the remainder comes will be here, like this. Right, so this will be used for checking the division. Whatever you divide, you have to check with that. Okay, so 327 is only possible because 3 1s are 3 is not possible. So 3 8s are so 29 we have to check it out. That is double number. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. Right. 3 9s are 27. So when you subtract this, 9 minus 7 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. This 3 will move down. Now what we are going to do? 3 8s is 24. So 3 7s is 21. Only possible is 3 7s are 21. So minus 8, you'll get 3 minus 1 is 2. So this 8 will move down. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s is 27. 1. Okay, so now let's check it out with the formula, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so this D is dividend here. Let me write with capital D only. So small d is your divisor, the one who divides, who is dividing. Q is your quotient, QUOTIENT, and your R is remainder, whatever comes. Okay, I have written this one also. So later you cannot complain. So what is this? What is this? Still I have written in the previous questions also. So what is D here? 2938. Right? This is D, no? Inside the box. And what is outside? Who is dividing? 3. So write it 3 here. Now 979. Plus, when you, what is the remainder? This is 1. So when you multiply this, so let us have a look on multiplication also. 979 divided by 3. So you, till now you should be very much familiar, because in chapter 4 we dealt with multiplication, right? So 3 9s are 27, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2 is 23, 3 9s are 27, 29. So it is 2937 plus 1. So when you add 1, add it, 7 plus 1 8, 3 9 2. So you got 2938. Is it okay? Is it okay? 2938. So that means your your concept is whatever you divided, whatever you have done is okay, because you have cross-checked it. Cross-check also. You have to check the division, no? So you have cross-checked with this formula that is dividend equals to divisor into question plus remainder. This should be in your mouth whenever I ask. This should be repeatedly, you should repeatedly answer me. Okay, then and then you should answer me at that time, proper time. Okay, so your dividend is this. You got this dividend after multiplying with divisor into question plus remainder. So this means this is correct. Okay, the division which you have done is correct if you are getting the same division in both the side. Okay, so now proceeding to the part B, number 6323 divided by 6. So first of all, I'll use 6 1 6. Let's not proceed to the bigger number. So now 3 will be down. So in this case it is not possible, so 6 zeros is possible. So 3 will be minus 3 minus 0 is 3. So this 2 will come down. Over here this 3 came down. So 6, how many is 32? 6 6 is 36. So 6 5 is 13, only possible. Okay, so then 2, this 3 will come down again. So 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. So 6 3 is only possible. So minus 8, 18 minus 23 minus 18 is 9 10 11 12 13. So it is only 5. So 18 plus 5 is 23. So now your remainder is 5. So it cannot be divided and no further number is there to divide. So your 5 will be remainder. Okay, so now cross check D into D plus R. So what is your dividend? 6323. Let me make a border here so that you will not get confused. So 6323 is equal to, what is the divisor? Divisor is 6. What is the question? 1053 you got, plus what is the remainder? You got 5. So let me make a border here also. So now multiply this number with this. Okay, so 1053 into 6. 6 3 is 18, 1 in hand. 5 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 30, 1 3 in hand. 6 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 6 1 is 6. So what you got? 6 3 1 8. Now plus with 5. 6 plus with 5, what you are going to get? 8 plus 5, 10 11 12 13, right? 1 in hand, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 and 3 6. So what you got? 6 3 2 3. Matched in divisor side, and this D into Q plus R matched? No, so it is correct. Okay, if this is getting matched, then you can say this is the process which you have followed for the division. Whatever the number you have used is correct. Okay, so the remaining one you will practice in your home. Okay, that you can say as your home assignment or your practice work. Okay, that will be your that will be coming in your exam. Okay, so now let us proceed to self practice 5B. So student, here we have the self practice 5B question number 1. We are going to solve only 2 questions from here, number A and B for today. Okay, so from question number 1, let me make you in first, whatever I gave you, that will not be the one from self practice 5B. Okay, so let's write number A, B, D, F, G, H and K. This is all we are going to solve from self practice 5B. Okay, for now today only we are going to do A and B. Okay, so let me tell you that self practice 5B, it deals with the division of 2-digit number. That is, 2-digit number is here as a divisor. Okay, so basically this things deals with a 2-digit number, and 2-digit number multiplication you should know before doing this. Okay, so so here 90 will be a divisor at first. Okay, so let us have a look in the 19 multiplication. So here I have made the multiplication, rough multiplication figure. All right, so 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 3 is a 57. So like this it will move on till 19 tens. Okay, so what is your main aim to get? Your aim to get is 90. So where is 90? Search. Okay, so 4s is only possible because 5s is 95. So 19 4s is 76. Write it here. 19 4s 4 9s are 36. 4 1s are 4 7. Only is possible, right? So now 4 will be down. Now 8 minus 7 is 1, right? So this 0 will come down. Now search where is 140. 140, 140. Oh, no 140, so you'll get only 133. Above that will be 152, which is higher number. So 19 7 is 133. So when you subtract this, you are going to get 7 here. So 3 is here, so 3 minus 3 is 0, 0. So what will come down? 0 will come down. Now where is 70? Search. No, not 70, but we'll get 57. That is 19 3s is 50. 19 3s is 57. So when you subtract this, you're going to get 6s. So 6 minus 5 is 1. What will come down? 5 will move down. So how many is 35? Search. 135 is not possible. So 19 7s is only possible. So what is 19 7s is possible here? So 19 7s is 133. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So you just see what you have got. Your question is 4737. Your remainder is 2. So student, here they have not said us to check it, but you can cross check it by using the concept of dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Alright, so I will not be checking here. You can check. If there is wrong, you can tell me. Okay, so I'm proceeding to number B, in which you should know the multiplication of 17. So student, here I have made the rough multiplication for the 17. So what was your number? 96 first, 2-digit number 96. So where is 96? Follow. 96 is not possible, but 17 5s is possible, which is 85. Right? So 17 5s, you can write here 17 5s is 85. So minus 8. 6 minus 5 is 1 here. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So 8 can be moved down. So 118 is your target now. Where is 118? 118 is not possible, but 17 6 102 is possible. So 17 6 7 6 is 42. 6 1 6 7 8 9 10. There is another way to do. If you don't want to write all the multiplication of 17, just you can say 17 5 7 35, 5 5 6 and 8. So you can do in that such easy way, or in a third form also. Okay, 17 6 42. Okay, 102. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. What will come down? 5 will come down. So where is 165? Search. 165 is not possible, but yes, 79 is possible. That is 153. So 79 is 153. 5 minus 3 2. 6 minus 5 1. So 1 minus 1 0. What will come down? This 1 will be on this side. So where is 121? 121 is possible. No, so only 17 7s is possible, which is 119. So 17 7s is 100. 7 7 49. 7 8 7 7 119, right? So when you subtract this, 9 10 11. So this is 0 here. So your remainder is 2. Your question is this. So your Q is 5697 and your R is 2. Alright, I hope you have understood this. So student, this much for today. Alright, so in the next class we will proceed from number D. We will solve D, F, G, H, K from question number 1 of self practice 5B. Alright, so you need to practice a lot. Alright, the concept of D into DQ plus R, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, should be very much familiar to you to check this division method. Okay, so I hope you will learn this properly. You will mark it up. Okay, so we will see in the next class with the question number D from self practice 5B. Alright, so till then, stay safe and healthy. Do not forget to practice. Alright, thank you everyone.